Hello Capricorn, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money weekly reading from 19th October to 25th October. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your sun, moon, rising and Venus, so could check those videos as well. Capricorn, so let's see Capricorn. Hopefully we have some awesome stuff. One more shuffle. This will be the fourth shuffle. So what's happening with Capricorn? So first card, Capricorn, the Tower. Something is falling apart, or something starts, maybe something coming quickly. Oh great. So Tower need not be negative all the. So I will just tell you. 8 of Pentacle, King of Cups, 8 of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle, Justice and the Temperance. Do not be, I get to hear, oh Tower card. There's nothing like that. Tower is suddenly a news will be coming, which will be, King of Cups is just after that. So something, you were not waiting. This is again a piece of good news. It's not a crumbling down. King of Cups, you will be getting some news which will make you emotionally feeling better. You will, feeling satisfied. It is a kind of a good news here. Suddenly a news coming to you which you were not expecting, and it takes you in the King of Cups mode, like feeling emotionally better, successful, card of success. This is what I get here. So do not worry about Tower card as such. Yeah, so this is what sudden, shocking, you were not aware and suddenly it comes, but after that is the King of Cups. So something good is coming. That is what I feel here. 8 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. This is like you have been working hard and hard and hard, like you have been focused and persistently working hard, Capricorn. 8 of Pentacles, but success is coming to, success is coming to you. Success is on its way. That success that you have been waiting for, either the project you have been working, the job you have been working. So success is coming. Just be a little more patient, continue with the focus, continue with your work, and you will get to where you will be climbing this ladder of success here. After that, this is 10 of Pentacles. So some feeling happy, your family is gonna be supportive, you are gonna be feeling happy and contented with your family, the way your family has been functioning here. This is, I feel that you will be making investments, you will be making, there will be buying, selling of family property, family issue, for the benefit of your but I see you taking lot of responsibilities towards your family, investing your family money. Some family function could come, so you will be attending that what I feel. 10 of Pentacles is card also. It's about buying a new home for your family, or so any happiness that makes any initiative that makes your family in a better position. 10 of Pentacles is the card of stability, it's card of harmony, it's about contentment within the family here. So financially also you will be feeling that you are in a good space. This is what I get for some of you here. Or your family might help you with some money if you are in a need situation, or you might help them. It will be vice versa here. This is what I get. Now Justice, some of you Capricorn will be needing to do with legal issues here. A court, you might need to visit court or advocates or attorney. For some maybe sale deed, or it's like dealing with legal matter, legal papers, signing documents. That is what I get here. Also some of you, if you are fighting any alimony battle, or any case against you, it's coming in your favor. Justice will be done if you are right, and and you have been wronged by some the other party. So justice is coming in your favor, justice is falling in your favor. Also, it's like for some of you, be accountable for your actions. Like this is a card of karma. Whatever we do, we get back. it comes back again. So we all need to be accountable for our karma. That is like a guidance card, like do not fall into any shady deals, or some deals which looks like to be too good to be true. So with this justice card, it's like treating everybody fairly, you also being treated fairly with this card here. But if you are having an illegal case, it's coming in your favor. This is like temperance card. So if I feel it's come, see, this I can relate now. There could be some legal issues, property inheritance issues in family, so it will come in your favor. This, I think you will be dealing with some legal issues regarding the family property inheritance. That is what I get here. So for some of you, this is again temperance also coming together, so there could be some delays or it might take some more time. So you need it will come in your favor, but it's going to take some more time. It will not come this week here. So have patience, maintain balance, go with the flow. That is what it shows here with the temperance card. You need to have balance. This property issues or anything will be sorted out. Justice will come in your favor. Maybe it's coming with a little delay if there is a court case, even if it legal matters regarding your company, your job situation, it's coming, but it might take some time here. So this is what I get. You have 8 of Pentacle card, 10 of Pentacle card. Definitely looks to be good with money, situations here. Some of you getting money from stock market, 10 of Pentacle, stock market, you bond, share, investments, buying, selling, real estate, rentals. This is where your money is coming from. So this is it, Capricorn. I'll just pull out an angel. Keep working hard. That is what, your focus is correct. And also you need to take care of yourself. Do not get overworked with this temperance card. So go with the flow. So let's see what is there for Capricorn. Letting go. So letting go, learn to let go. So this is the card. If there is anything that you feel, something did not work for you or is not working for you, let go. It will bring you happiness. So this is it, Capricorn, for this reading. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for taking your time out and watching this video.